Lloyds Bank Everyday Spending Credit Card Review, my honest experience and user guide. Managing day-to-day expenses can be tricky, but a good credit card and make it easier. That's why I tested the Lloyds Bank Everyday Spending Credit Card, and here's my honest experience and what you should know before applying. Most people get this wrong. They think everyday cards have no benefits, but the surprising truth is, this Lloyds card offers a nice balance of flexibility, low fees and convenience. I used it for groceries, petrol, and online shopping, and it performed smoothly everywhere. The app makes it simple to track spending, set budgets, and get instant transaction alerts, something I found especially useful for managing monthly expenses. There is no annual fee, and the interest rate is competitive. You can also set up automatic payments to avoid late fees and improve your credit score over time. One feature I really liked was the introductory offer, often including 0% interest on purchases or balance transfers for a set period. That helped me plan bigger purchases without stress. The downside? It's not a rewards-heavy card. If you're looking for cashback or travel points, this isn't the one. But for simple, responsible daily use, it's dependable and budget-friendly. In conclusion, the Lloyds Bank Everyday Spending Credit Card is perfect for anyone who wants a straightforward, low-cost card for regular use. It won't make you rich in rewards, but it will help you manage money smartly and build credit the easy way.